Hi everyone, this is Donna. Welcome to my Creative Harmony YouTube channel. Today I would like to share with you how to make your own disinfecting wipes. I know that it's kind of hard to find some of these things in the stores right now, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to make your own. To make these wipes, however, I do need to get the legal stuff out of the way, so here's our legal disclaimer. Using these wipes does not mean you will not get COVID-19 or any other flu or virus. There are no guarantees. The best that we can do is take these small steps and hope that these steps will protect our families. So let's get on to the ingredients that you're going to need to make these disinfecting wipes. So here's your ingredients that you're going to be needing to make your own wipes. First of all, you're going to need water. You'll need bleach, rubbing alcohol. Make sure that is 70% or better. Dish soap to add a scent and another cleaning property to it. Just use a scent that you like. You need a roll of paper towels, and you're going to cut that roll of paper towels in half. Make sure that you're using a quality paper towel, like for instance Bounty or Brawny or something that is a high quality durable paper towel. As far as containers, you're going to need a measuring spoon, a container to mix the solution in, and a container for the wipes themselves. Container to put the wipes in. Now I use this one. This is also a Tupperware container. It is a Modular Mates Square 3. Okay, and the Square 3 is like the perfect size to do your wipes in. And I ordered the flip top for it simply because I like to be able to open it, pull out the wipe, and shut it. If you don't have the flip top, but you have the container, you can use the regular square seal that comes with them. And then when you need a wipe, you could just open and close it. So you could go either way. I just happen to like the convenience of the flip top. I did put a link in the description to my Tupperware website because they are filling orders in a very clean, disinfected environment right now. So if you don't have these, you can order them online, and it'll probably take you pretty near 2 weeks to get it, but at least you'll have something to make them in. I also like to use the Tupperware because it's a more durable container, and the seal is a very tight seal. So it's just my preference to use this particular container. So I have the ingredients. Let me show you how you're actually going to make this solution. Open the container from the correct side, and I'm going to put the side that is rigid that I cut, I'm going to put that down. So as you can see, the half roll of paper towels is just like the perfect fit in the Square 3. Okay. According to the CDC website, in order for this to be effective as a disinfectant, we need to add 4 teaspoons of bleach per quart of water. So I'm going to go ahead now and add the 4 teaspoons of bleach. And hopefully you're using a teaspoon, and you can just do this 4 times. You really don't have to worry if you do a little bit over. That's okay, but don't do under. Okay, so you don't want to do 3 teaspoons. Definitely do 4, and if like when I'm pouring mine in, it spills over the lid of this teaspoon a little bit, that's okay, because it's better to have more than not have enough. Then you're going to put your rubbing alcohol in it, and what I do is I just fill this to the line. You don't really have to measure how much you put in. I just kind of do it by sight. So I'm going to hold this up so you can kind of see how much I'm putting in. Okay, so that's about what I put in there. And then depending on how much you want to add a scent, this one is a vinegar lime scent. How much you're trying to neutralize the smell, I usually just kind of do about like that. And like I said, my goal is to neutralize the smell and just to put an extra cleaning ingredient in. Although bleach does clean, I feel more confident with putting the dishwasher washing soap in there. Okay, so I just used my measuring spoon to measure it, putting my seal on it. Okay, I don't shake it. Okay, so I don't recommend that you shake this, just stir it. Okay, then what I'm going to do now that I have the solution, so that was very easy, 16 ounces of water, 4 teaspoons of bleach, some rubbing alcohol, and a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Okay, just in case you didn't follow me. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to pour it over your wipes. So try pouring it directly on the wipes, then a little bit on the side of the container. I'm hoping you can see this. And then pour a little in the middle, and then just keep going. And you want to use the whole container. Okay, so use that whole container, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can tell that the towels have been saturated with the solution. Okay, my next step then is, because you know the little cardboard thing here in the middle, because it's wet, it's fairly easy to take out when it's wet. Impossible to take out when it's dry, but when it's wet, it just comes right out. Okay, so now you have that out. All you have to do is take your edge of your paper towels from the middle. I'm going to put it down so I can really reach. You're just going to pull them out, and you have wipes, so you can just your wipes and pull them out. Okay, just like that. So as you can see, I just pulled out 3 wipes. So what you're basically trying to do is you're trying to find the end. You can't always find it, so I just pull out a section and eventually the end comes out. Then you have your wipes, and you just use and wipe your counters. So this is a really inexpensive solution because wipes tend to be a little costly in my opinion, considering how easy they are to make. And these, you know, are disinfecting your home because they have bleach and alcohol, rubbing alcohol in them, which are on the EPA site for killing the virus. So I put a link in a description. I put 3 of them actually. I put one to the CDC website, and it talks about using the 4 teaspoons of bleach for a quart of water. Okay, and then there's also a link to the EPA website that shows all 200 and some disinfectants that can be used against the coronavirus. So I hope that you found this informative. I just want to leave you, I've got 2 more thoughts I want to leave you with. The first thought is, when you wipe with these, you're putting bleach on your counter or whatever it is you're wiping. Make sure you leave it set on there for about 5 minutes before you wipe it dry. Okay, because you want to give that bleach and alcohol a chance to work and kill the bacteria and germs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I ask you to please, if you enjoyed the video, to click on that thumbs up, like it by clicking the thumbs up, yeah. And I'm going to be posting more videos on just some things that we can do for the coronavirus, and also things we can do while we're on lockdown at home, you know. So if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell, and that way each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, my friends. I'll see you in the next video.